Hey y'all, so we are going to be spending the week with each other. So I'm going to start off with my morning routine. Of course, I got to brush my teeth, get those teeth clean first thing in the morning. Next, we're going to go on to my skin routine. I live by my products. I really don't switch it up because I noticed that sometimes when you tend to introduce too many products to your skin starts acting up. So I know what works for me and I kind of stick to it. So I have my Dermalogica cleanser that I use every single day. And honestly, it really keeps my pores clean, keeps my face clean. And honestly, I love all of Dermalogica's products. I also use their daily exfoliant. As you can see, the bottle is like tore up. The good thing about Dermalogica is once you buy one of their products, you can buy refills, which are a little bit cheaper. And of course, that's environmentally friendly, so you don't keep buying those plastic bottles. So I love that from them. Pharmacy's Deep Sweeps toner is a little bit newer to my collection, and honestly one of the best toners I've ever used. It makes my face feel so clean. Like, I remember when I ran out of this last month and my face just didn't feel the same. It has this nice tingly feeling. Like, it doesn't burn, because I don't like face products that make my face burn. I feel like that's not good for you, but it makes your face feel very refreshed. Next, I go in with the niacinamide and zinc by The Ordinary. This, I believe, helps with blemishes. I don't really get that many blemishes. I get like really tiny blemishes. Obviously, you know, like most people, my skin is textured, but I do like adding this because for me, it keeps the blemishes away. Next, I go in with the Cetaphil oil absorbing face lotion. This is great for my black girls, my dark skin girls. Like, it does not leave a hue at all, and I have combination skin, so on my T-zone I get super oily, and the fact that this is oil absorbing really helps. And look at my skin, y'all, glowy. What? Now we're gonna make this bed, child. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. I can't believe I'm showing y'all this side of me. Honestly, in my natural state, like, I am very disorganized. Like, when it comes to my room, like, making my bed is such a task for me. But I'm really trying to like really get my life together and make my bed every day. Like, I know that sounds so childish, but like half the time I'm rushing out of bed. So I'm trying to like wake up earlier, make my bed so like I can feel better. Cause you know, when your room is a mess and clothes are all over the place, honestly, it be when I get dressed. That's when my room messes up the most. You feel disorganized. Like, you just feel all messed up. Another goal of mine is to eat breakfast every day. So today I decided I'm just going to work with what's in my refrigerator. I tend to buy food out a lot, and this month I'm really trying to cut back on it because most of my expenses come from buying food. In the middle of me cooking, I forgot that I had a meeting, so I had to hop off and get on my meeting real quick. Okay, so back to the cooking. I use tortillas, like I mentioned, eggs, cheese. Oh, and I use kale. I was scared because kale has a very strong taste, but when I sauteed it for a little bit, and of course adding the cheese and the other ingredients and the seasoning, it actually did not taste that bad. I'm lactose, so who knows why I put all this cheese on these daggone eggs. So my mom came in and she was like, you're not making me none, so I had to make some for her too. I don't know what it is. I don't know if this is just me. Like, I have to eat while I cook. If the food is ready, I'm eating. So I like to work in different places while I'm home. So sometimes I'll work downstairs in like the kitchen or the living room area. Today I wanted to like be in my room because it was really cold and windy today. So I was like, you know what, let me just chill on my bed and get a little bit of work done. If you work from home, make sure you get outside like at least once a day. So I'm about to take a little drive to Starbucks.
Can you put oil in dog tips?
I really don't think so.
How you know?
Because I was in the mood for an iced matcha latte. And I'm really, really wary about recording in public. So this is why y'all see me like with the camera damn near down. And when I walked into Starbucks, everyone was looking at me. And I was like, nobody was probably looking, like they probably weren't looking at me. But they wasn't really looking at me. I just be in my head. So today, first of all, today Starbucks had free bakery treats. Okay, but yeah, Starbucks had these free bakery treats today. Like, so they like had a coupon on the app. So I got me a brownie, and I don't usually get the brownies. Like, they're really good, but I don't usually get them because like I be trying to cut back on sugar. So today I decided to work from home. So I didn't go into the office today. So most of the morning, like, I was just like working and just like chilling. Like, I was just chilling. I just wanted to come on camera because I want to talk to y'all. Like, if you're starting your first big girl job, if you're looking for a big girl job, depending on what's important to you, right, like where your priorities are, really think about what's important to you, like when you're looking for a job. For example, what I mean by that is like there's culture, there's salary, there's benefits. Like for me, I learned although salary is very high on my list, work-life balance and culture is also very high on my list. Because like being in a space where you get paid, you know, a ton of money, but you're unhappy, for me is not worth it. So really make sure that y'all, wherever y'all are going, like it's really a good fit for you, and really get to know people. Like even like go on LinkedIn and like message like other black people or people of color that are at the company and ask them like, yo, what has been your experience at this company? Because you don't want to get somewhere and then find out like one, that the culture is crap, and then on top of that they're treating people of color like crap, because we already have a hard time in corporate America. So like that's just so important. Like I've had experiences where the pay was good but I just wasn't happy, and honestly now that I'm like no longer in that environment, like just the relief I feel, just like the way my mental health just like went up 10 times, like it's crazy. I'm about to go pick up my brother from school, so we're just gonna be driving around and like vibing out until then. My playlist might go from like gospel to hip hop to Afrobeat. So just vibe, twin. Yo, girl. Alright. So baby, just like that. He's anyway, ye how. Why would you post up? Baby, you should know this. He said I'm good enough. None of my diddle. Think about shit that I should have done. I've been meaning to say I'm gonna do a TikTok on my nails. I could do it now. See? Hey you all. It is a new day. If y'all can't tell, like I really love this hat. This is like my go-to hat when I don't feel like putting on no wig and I just wanna like be free. Like it's a casual vibe. So today we went to get our eyebrows done. I got my eyebrows threaded for the first time. I will let y'all see it. Hold on. And they actually look really good. Like it looks different from like how they look when they get waxed, but they still look really good. So I'm really happy with the way they came out, and I'm probably just gonna start getting my eyebrows threaded and not waxed. And then after that, my mom and I went to go see Creed, and we went to iPick. She's never been to iPick before, so I'm going to take her. And it was good. Like I give it like a 7 out of 10. Tonight we're going to this party that my boyfriend invited me to. I don't really feel like going out, but he's always like, you never go out with me. So I'm like, I'm gonna go out with him. So I'm gonna show y'all my outfit, and like when I get ready later, I might film a get ready with me. That'll be a good idea. So yeah, stay tuned. Wait a minute, I gotta adjust my camera. Hold on. Okay y'all, so this is my final look. I just want y'all to get a close-up of the makeup. Like the makeup is giving. The makeup is giving. The hair, she's really trying to be an enemy of progress, but you know, overall she's giving. So I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Oh gosh, how are y'all gonna see my pants? The pants are really the outfit. I'm like watching vlogs in the back. I love. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see.